morning, students. Students, let's solve more questions of derivative by using log. Find dy by dx when x to the power m into y to the power n equals to x plus y to the power m plus n. So now, students, this is the question. How can we solve? To solve it, we can take log both sides. Taking log both sides, m log x plus n log y equals to m plus n log x plus y. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, m log x derivative 1 upon x plus n log y derivative 1 upon y, and for y we can write dy by dx equals to m plus n log x plus y derivative 1 upon x plus y. Now, student, x derivative 1 and y derivative we write dy by dx. So now, student, it will become m upon x plus n upon y dy by dx equals to m plus n upon x plus y plus m plus n upon x plus y dy by dx. When we open the bracket, now, students, taking like terms one side, m upon x minus m upon m plus n upon x plus y equals to m plus n upon x plus y dy by dx minus n upon y dy by dx. Now, student, dy by dx is common. What left here? M plus n upon x plus y minus n upon y. And this side we can take LCM. X into x plus y. So x cancel, students. X plus y is multiplied by m minus x plus y will be cancelled. X multiplied by m plus n. So when we open the bracket, it will become mx plus my minus mx minus ny. Sign will be changed upon x bracket x plus y. This side also we can take LCM, student. Y and x plus y m plus n in bracket minus n x plus y will be in bracket. mx and mx both are equal, but they have different sign. So mx will be cancelled. So my minus nx upon x plus y in bracket dy by dx. Here we can take LCM, x plus y into y. So, students, when we open the bracket, it will become my plus ny minus nx minus ny. Ny cancel. So my minus nx upon x plus y into y. Okay, students. Now, students, we can do cross multiplication. Dy by dx my minus nx will be multiplied by x into x plus y equals to my minus nx multiplied by y into x plus y. So dy by dx equals to my minus nx x plus y into y upon my minus nx x plus y. So my minus nx will be cancelled. X plus y and x plus y will be cancelled. And dy by dx equals to y upon x. Okay, students. Now, students, next question. If y to the power x plus x to the power y plus x to the power x equals to a to the power b Find dy by dx. So students, we cannot take log directly this side because you can see plus sign is there, and we cannot open the bracket if we take log both side directly. Okay students, now we are going to suppose y to the power x equals to u, x to the power y equals to v, and x to the power x equals to w. So students, this equation will become u plus v plus w equals to a to the power v. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, so it will be du upon dx, dv upon dx plus dw upon dx equals to 0. Correct students? This is equation number 1. Now students, first solve y to the power x equals to u. So students, we are taking log both sides. X log y equals to log u. Log y as it is, x derivative 1 plus x as it is, log y derivative 1 upon y, and for y we will write dy by dx equals to log u derivative 1 upon u, and for u we can write du by dx. We have used here multiplication law, student, product rule. Now students, by cross multiplication you will be this side u log y plus x upon y dy by dx equals to du by dx. So students, du by dx equals to, replacing u, at the place of u we can write y to the power x. So y to the power x log y plus x upon y dy by dx in bracket. Now students, let's solve v equals to x to the power y, taking log both side. Log v equals to y log x. Now students, we are going to use product rule again. Y as it is, log x derivative 1 upon x plus log x as it is. For y we will write dy by dx, and this side is student 1 upon v dv by dx. So by cross multiplication we will be this side v y upon x plus log x dy upon dx in bracket. Replacing y, at the place of y we can write x to the power y. So dv by dx equals to x to the power y upon x plus log x dy by dx. This is equation number 3, student. Now students, let's solve w. X to the power x equals to w. Taking log both side, log w equals to x log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, log w 1 upon w into dw upon dx equals to log x. We can use product rule again here. Log x as it is, x derivative 1 plus x as it is, log x derivative 1 upon x, x cancel, student. dw upon dx, w log x plus 1. Replacing w, at the place of w we can write x to the power x. So dw upon dx equals to x to the power x 1 plus log x in bracket. So students, from equation number 2, value of du upon dx, from equation number 3, value of dv upon dx, and from equation number 4, value of dw upon dx, we have to put all these three values in equation number 1. So du upon dx value, dv upon dx value, and dw upon dx value we have to put from Equation number 2, 3 and 4. When we put students, then at the place of du upon dx, y upon x, log y plus x upon y dy by dx, plus at the place of dv upon dx, x to the power y plus y upon x plus log x dy by dx, plus at the place of dw upon dx, x to the power x 1 plus log x equal to 0. So students, these three values du upon dx, dv upon dx, dw upon dx we have to put in the equation, and we get this equation, student. In this equation, let's open the bracket. So when we open the bracket, it will become y to the power x log y plus, here powers will be subtracted, students, base are same, so it will become y to the power x minus 1 into x divided by dx. When we open this bracket, so it will become x to the power y minus 1 into y plus x to the power y log x divided by dx equals to, students, this part we can transfer this side, so minus x to the power x bracket 1 plus log x. So we can get this. Now students, this is the term of dy by dx and this is also the term of dy by dx. So from these two terms we are going to take dy by dx common. What left? Y to the power x minus 1 into x plus x to the power y log x, and this part and this part both will come this side, student, minus x to the power x 1 plus log x minus y to the power x log y minus x to the power y minus 1 into y. Correct, students? Now student, dy by dx equals to, this part will be in denominator and we can take minus common from here. So minus common, students, x to the power x bracket 1 plus log x plus y to the power x log y plus x to the power y minus 1 into y upon y to the power x minus 1 into x plus x to the power y log x. Okay, students? Okay then, have a nice day.